Hey guys, in this lecture we are going to see about S3 bucket, different types of storage classes and versioning and lifecycle rule. Okay, so let me open this S3 bucket. So I'm going to upload a new version of index.html. Okay, click upload, add files. Okay, so here itself you can see upload the object into the different types of storage class. So if you click properties, by default it chooses the standard. Standard is a frequently accessed data type and it is generally available and general purpose in all availability zones, more than 3 availability zones. And here you can see S3 Express one zone. It is single digit millisecond response times for the most frequently accessed data, but it only available in single AZ. Okay, and the standard unintelligent tier data with changing or no unknown access patterns, right? So like the data access is changing differently, like sometime it's 30 days, sometime it's 1 week. For that kind of objects we can choose intelligent tiering and standard infrequent access. So this is like duration should be 30 days, like minimum 30 days, and 128 KB of object size, and it will be a much cheaper than standard one. And there is one zone IA. It is only available in single availability zone, and the data should be minimum 30 days. Okay, so after 30 days you can have a standard IA or one zone IA, infrequent access. And there is class here. Three types of class here is available, which is archive type. So instance retrieval, flexible retrieval, and deep archive. So based on the type you can retrieve quickly. Like instant retrieval, you can uh, instantly retrieve the data, but the cost would be high. And similarly, flexible retrieval, so that is you can retrieve quickly but not quickly than instant retrieval. And similarly, deep archive, it will take 180, it should be 180 days minimum duration. Okay, and finally reduced redundancy. These are the different types of storage class you can choose when you upload the object. Okay, so I'm going to upload. Okay, now we are going to see about S3 bucket versioning. So this bucket is not enabled the versioning. So to enable that, go to properties. Here you can see bucket versioning. Click edit, enable, save changes. So now bucket versioning has been enabled. If you check the objects, here you can see show versions toggle button. So if I click this, see I'm able to see the version ID, but the version ID is null because if you enable the versioning after uploaded object, the existing object will be have a version ID of null. Okay, let's say if I upload a new version of index.html, click upload, add files. I'm going to upload this new version of index.html. Before uploading, so I have enabled web hosting, static web hosting, right? Let me check what is the current version. So I am getting I love coffee, hello world, and coffee image, right? So now I'm going to upload different versions of index.html, right? So click upload, add files, index.html, upload. So now here you can see I have uploaded a new version of index.html. If you click show versions, you can see a version ID for the newly uploaded index.html, but the old is null. If I try to access the page, okay, I get different versions of index.html which I updated in the index.html different version. Okay, let's see now if I upload the old version. Okay, I have the old version, but still if I upload the old version, let's see what it will happen. Click upload. If I check the S3 bucket and click show versions, here you can see I can see two versions for index.html and null. Now if I access the now I see I love coffee, hello world, coffee image. Okay, so see it created a new version ID with the object that I uploaded. So and also you need to show another things. Let's say you delete index.html, okay, without enabling show versions. Okay, so click delete, delete. So now index.html is deleted without showing version. If you click show versions, you can see index.html with delete marker. Okay, so when you enable the version, you will get this feature that the deleted object is in delete marker. So if you want to retrieve the file, you just need to delete the delete marker. Okay, so now if you remove, so now you can see index.html. This is only applicable when you delete without a version id. If you delete the object with the version id, it will be deleted permanently. Okay, so this null versioned object will be deleted permanently. You can't retrieve. Okay, so this is only applicable without uh, uh, adding version id for the object. Okay, now we are going to see lifecycle roles in S3 bucket. So if you click management, you can see lifecycle roles options in management. Click create lifecycle role and you can give a name demo. So and there is a role scope, so you can limit to specify prefix, which is a folder, or you can apply to the all of the object. Okay, so let me click apply all objects. I need to acknowledge that, and here is the rule actions. So what should happen for this all object? Like you can choose transit current versions of object between storage class. Okay, so the current version, the latest version, can be moved to different storage class. You need to acknowledge this, and here you can see you can change from standard. Currently it's in standard, right? So it's should so we can choose the different type of storage class like standard IA, and then so minimum 30 days. So after 30 days I can move this current versions of object to standard IA. Similarly, I can transit a non-current version instead of version, so like null, right? So null objects, so those can be moved to different storage class. Okay, so and there is expire current version, so version enabled object can be expire, like it will move to non-current version, non-versioning objects after 2 days. Okay, and then I can enable permanently delete that current non-current version, like okay, so after 2 days non-current versions object can be permanently deleted. Okay, so also I can delete expired objects, delete marker, or incomplete multi-part uploads. Okay, so these are all the things you can add it in lifecycle, and once you create a rule, all of the objects will be moved to the storage class or deleted based on the rules. Okay, this is it for this lecture, guys. Thank you.